What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make $250 a day on Fiverr or some other network. So we'll go through as day progresses. If you want my number one way to make a passive income online, it'll be the first link in the description. If you could, please like, subscribe, comment. I'd like to know what you guys might want to see next. If you could, well, let's get started. Today we're going to talk about making money on Fiverr, mainly about writing ebooks. So up here in the corner, let's search for Ghost. Yep. Writer book, as it says, and let's see what it comes up with. As you see here, you got this person right here willing to do it for $100, starting at $190. You got different people doing it at different prices. Let's open up this one right here where it says he'll write an ebook or ghost or write a regular book at $190. That's his starting price. Now that's just for the basic. It'll be 5,000 words, up to 20 pages. Standards 1,250, 50 pages, and that's $475. And then if you want a 200-page book or a 100-page book, it's $950, and it'll take you a month to get it. I know some of y'all are probably already like, well, I can't write good. Well, I got a cure for that. Trust me, I don't write good either. I don't even talk good if you can't tell. So this is going to be the way we do this. It's through a website called Scribble. It's creating amazing ebook and reports in less than 5 minutes. They got 300 layouts, 50 hot templates, ebooks on demand, easy to use, 15 niche categories, auto content writer, commercial licenses, everything else. You can see you can get it for $67, but if you use this right here, you get $20 off that, so that brings it down to less than $47 to make possibly $250 to $300 a day. And you see there's no installation required. It's compatible on all computers. That means if you got a Mac, Android, Google Chromebook, whatever, it will work. It's easy to use, stunning design, 60-second creations, instant content, commercial license, agency websites. Here we can watch video on it if you want to. Creating digital info product never been easier. Just click, design, publish. Never again will you have to waste hours researching a good designer. For a good designer or freelancer, wait 5 to 14 days, spend $100 to $500 per design template. Burn $250 to $600 hiring a freelance writer online, because then you could become the freelance writer online, and guess what? You're making that money instead of paying somebody that money. And it's, like I said, it's compatible with all computers. Scribble's the only ebook creator you'll ever need. Scribble just removed the 3 biggest headaches of writing books, which is writing, designing, and formatting. First thing, you pick a template. Choose from 50 eye-catching templates. Step 2, add instant content. Don't have time to create content? Just enter a URL and watch Scribble automatically fill your pages with fresh, ready-made content. What it does, you take a website, you take their URL, paste it into Scribble, and it spins the content to where it's 100% unique. No plagiarism, no nothing else. There's no guesswork or anything. Upload your own file if you want to. Sit back and watch Scribble automatically extract content. Feel creative. Start from scratch. Write content yourself and copy and paste content directly into pages instead. Step 3. Customize and publish. Pick a color, theme, customize, add, delete, edit. Hit generate. In about 60 seconds you have created an eye-grabbing, trust-building ebook that's ready to sell online or give away. I know a lot of you guys out there just like me trying to make $1. This is a great way to make books for your giveaway funnel. And you know, it's all in one software, jaw dropping ebooks on demand. Publish directly from Scribble dashboard to generate a button to instantly create books online, which means you can also sell them on as a Kindle book on Amazon. You can do whatever you want to with them. You can build your list faster because it's like I said, you can give it away as your free giveaway to get people's email addresses. Selling more ebooks at a higher price. There again, like I was talking about. Selling it on Amazon, but it also creates drop dead gorgeous ebooks that scream quality and pizzazz, allowing you to raise your prices and boost your sales. That's why billion-dollar companies like Apple spend multi-million dollars on their designs. In fact, a good design wins people trust, high quality, into engaging content people can't put down. Throw away complicated publishing tools because Scribble does it all. They even do where's that? I'm looking for it. I know it's here. Automatic page number, drop and drag technology, which is beautiful because all you do is simply click and drag content to any page, completely designed layout without coding, fully customizable, unlimited pages, add design elements such as, you know, the click art there. Scribble does it all because they'll even do ebook covers. I'm looking for where it tells you this. I know it does it. I'm just looking for it. Which is another market you can get into and make more money. Save 1,000 template digital access. Get it now. $445 single template. Bypass weeks of work. Order right now and you'll get over 300 Google fonts. You'll stay ahead competition this year. Ebook resolution, you know, let's face it, most people don't read a regular book anymore. If it's not digital, most people don't read it. Fast action bonus today, you get your commercial license, which now your digital agency providing ebook content, commercial rights, client magnet. There you go. When you get a new client, you simply add them to your client dashboard and keep track of the clients and manage projects easily. You can add, edit, and remove clients when you're finished working with them. Fast action bonus feedback engine. Scribble clients tools makes it easy to send clients your design for approval, get feedback in real time, and get paid faster. But yeah, this software also does the ebook covers, like I was saying, and I'll go and show you how much you can make off of that as well. To where, you know, people, you're still going to have to trade a little time for money, but you know, it is what it is. Here you get another Fast Action Bonus agency website. It appears professional, and you get to make, you know, these type of templates for your ebook covers. There's testimonials y'all can read, because I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. As you can see, fully customizable ebooks, client management. Where's it at? I'm looking for it here. You get the software, you get agency rights, and you get a training center. And as you see, it's got a 30-day money-back guarantee. These are the guys that created it. Frequently asked questions. But anyway, like I said, you can go on and make ebook covers too. So, here on Fiverr, ebook cover design, and you'll see once it loads. Here again, you can make $20 there, $15 there, 10, 5. And keep in mind, people, this is starting prices for these guys. It's not their high end. This guy right here is even getting $140, but it's pro verified with only 44 reviews. I mean, these guys are making a lot of money. But there again, it's like I said, if y'all like what I had to say today, please like, subscribe, comment. I try to answer all my comments. Yep. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow.